how to contact Shein customer service. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you through the steps in order to do so let's just get started. So you may just head over and open up the Shein application on your screen and log in into your account for that. You can even visit the website if you prefer, but you just need to head over and follow the steps. So once you are into the website or the application, you can head over to the Me tab or the Account tab. So head over to that option usually located in the bottom right corner of your screen, tap on it, and here you will be finding your profile. Now, if you would like to contact the Shein customer service, you can directly find an option called customer service within Shein, which is right here under wish list. So look out for that option, tap on it, and when you tap on it, you will be taken to the customer service of Shein, where you can ask different questions. You can look out for the self-service, or which are return and refund orders, gift card, etc. And there are different FAQs also available. If you're looking for customer service directly, tap on customer service like this, and you will be taken to the customer service page where you can just go ahead and DM them directly with the Shein customer service bot for now. And then you can just go ahead and type in, for example, select order, and you can basically find all of the solutions they will be providing here. Otherwise, you can even contact their number available in their website or app, and that way also you can contact their customer service. So that is it. You may follow this method if you would like to contact the customer service of Shein. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.